I went to Dollar Tree recently and I saw a new vase that I really wanted to try to make, use it to make something different. So I'm going to show you 3 different designs or ways you can put together vases. So I need your help. I want you to tell me which design you like the most, and if you did not like any of the designs, just say painted black. So let me go ahead and get right on into it and share the process with you.
Here are the vases that I'm going to use for this project. I purchased 3 different vases I normally see at the Dollar Tree and 3 of the new vase. To prep the vases, I rub them down with alcohol. Also, I remove the labels at the bottom. If you have a problem with getting your labels off, try Glue Gun. I sprayed it on, and after a couple of minutes, I was able to scrape it off. Next, I place E6000 industrial glue at the bottom of the vase. Unfortunately, the color that I had was black, and that's all I had in my stash. So if you do decide to buy this particular glue, I would recommend getting it in clear. With one vase facing upside down, I placed the vase with the glue on top. I repeated the same process with the other vases and waited 24 hours for the glue to dry. Once the glue was dry, I spray painted them in a well-ventilated area with this matte black spray paint from Rustoleum. This is one of my favorites. Check out the finish. Can you see why I like that paint? Okay, now for the next step. Hand painting it. For each of these designs, I'm going to use a thin paintbrush and white acrylic paint. For the first design, I'm going to paint on short lines. It's very simple to do, and the lines do not have to be the same. And here's how it turned out. Here's the next face. For this one, I'm going to draw on thick horizontal lines. And here's how it turned out. Now for the third design. I'm going to paint @ symbols all along the bottom. If you notice, the texture wasn't as smooth as the other vases that I shared with you, that's because I respray painted the vase. I had put another design that I really did not like, so I just wanted to let you guys know. And here's how the third one turned out.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information to be helpful and of value. Let me know in the comment section which design you like the most, and if you didn't like any of the designs, just say paint it black. All right, until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.